I'm introducing Westinghouse M108, which is restored by Mr. Pandurajan, who is very knowledgeable in tube radios, especially Philips. And this is the dial code of Westinghouse M108. And if you notice, uh, there is no gang condenser in here. This is what I want to show. There is no gang condenser, but the core moves inside the coil when we move the dial, and with dial the core also keeps moving in and out. If you see here, this goes to the other end, this plate moves, and inside this is the mechanism, and it's beautiful. And then this is how the frequency is adjusted, because if you see, it keeps moving. Is one of a kind of a gang condenser. I think at that time there were no gang condenser available, or these people have chosen a different way of changing the frequency. But this is amazing, and the radio is functional. It works beautifully. If you see, the dial lands, and then if I change, this speaker is also very old. There is no magnet here, but it is the coil which comes from HT makes the magnet, and then tries to. It's a beautiful piece, and I need to build the cabinet and restore it. And thanks to Mr. Pandurajan, who is inspiring so many people, including me. Thank you so much, sir.